mysterious discovery that cannot be explained has puzzled countless scientists to this day. This looks like the electronic component of a screw. It's in effect magnified 10,000 times, but you can believe it. It could be. It was made 100,000 years ago. These wires that we found, only 1/30 of the hair, 100,000 years ago. Who will be capable to make such a fine wire? The nature of it, equivalent to a micron process. Transition stage to nanofabrication. Could this accessory be the technology of the future? Made it through 100,000 years ago. Or if it's gonna be, and then these wires, was sent to the St. Petersburg Science Laboratory. After the scientists analyzed it in depth, and found even more surprising results. These wires, it's actually an alloy. The ingredients contain, there are even a few elements that can't analyze. These metals all have the same characteristics. That's good conductivity. But it's not made by humans. It couldn't have been formed naturally. The result is either a dislocation of space and time, is from outside the Earth, because this thing can't really be explained. The Russian scientists simply left it alone, and sealed it up. Almost no one has spoken of it since, until 2012. The National Museum of Atomic Experiments in Las Vegas. Some flying saucer artifacts were suddenly on display. Say they're from Roswell in Russia. And this Roswell is the Ural region. In these exhibits, there are some metals. Aljum Aptm comes from a group called Aljum Aptm. January 29, 1986. Local residents saw a sphere from the sky. After the crash, the debris was scattered for several kilometers around. Research institutes in the Soviet Union have discovered, on these pieces of metal, the spacing between atoms, not quite the same as steel on Earth. 88.8 causes radar waves to be unable to reflect. 950 thus 80. This is a material that is invisible to radar. And in the United States, the CIA, it was mentioned that in these metals, there's a chemical doctor in the file. Vysotsky said, it's probably some kind of high-tech evidence in the middle of the flying saucer. Such a sophisticated technology, far beyond Earth's technology. After getting this information, that the wires of the Russian Urals, and the wire we mentioned at the beginning, probably all from flying saucers. But trying to solve this mystery, one of the legends of the Tungis tribe has to be mentioned.